Antique and Garden Showcase friends, and today we are taking a little trip to pick up an auction win that I won at a neighboring auction company over in Lexington, Kentucky. A little excited about this purchase because I believe it to be more of an antique Cornelissen baby pottery. Now, we deal in baby pottery a lot at the auction house where I'm at, and I've learned to kind of identify things, and I saw this piece. It was kind of mixed in at an auction, so I'm anxious to go over here and pick this up today and see if I've truly won what I think I've got. So here we go. I'm going to take you over to Bluegrass Auction and Appraisal. And here we are in Lexington, Kentucky on Winchester Road at the New Circle Road exit. Now, I should turn here, but I know some of the back streets, and I worked in Lexington for 11 years, and I drove this traffic every single day. And let me tell you what, something gets old as being in this traffic really quickly, but it doesn't get old when you get to come over here and pick up something really neat. So anyway, I'm kind of stuck here in traffic. You know, my joke about Lexington is that you could probably park your car and walk to your destination faster, but you know, kind of is what it is. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to take some back roads, and then we'll be headed down close to Bluegrass Auction and Appraisal. They do kind of more high-end estates, and they also do appraisals there as well. It's a long-standing business in Lexington, Kentucky, and they've moved to relatively newer location than where they used to be. And I need to be in this right lane. Get over there while I have the chance. And you know what? I'm just gonna take New Circle Road to make it quicker. Even though that traffic looks like a bear down there. This is where it gets to be nasty because I had to fight for my right to get in the left lane at a stoplight at the bottom of a ramp. I mean, who designed this? I mean, really? So I need to be, as soon as possible, over in that far left lane. So as you can see, Lexington, car in front of me is trying to turn into the left lane. It's a jinkied up mess sometimes, but it is what it is. See if I can move over here. Vying for my position over here as well. Left lane, yay. Okay, all right, we got it. So, and the reason I have to be there quick is because, you know, we have to turn right after this stoplight. It's the next turn. So basically, you're just right off the ramp there, but and kind of is what it is. But let's see. Been a while since I've been over here. 2 years actually since I've bought anything from Bluegrass, so I'm kind of excited to be back in Lexington, Kentucky for a change. And we'll wait on the stoplight, and then I'll tune you back in when we get over to where we're going. Alright, so just right past the stoplight right here on our right is Bluegrass Auction and Appraisal, and I'm going to pull in here and hopefully not run over anybody in the process. That would not be good. Let's see if I can find a space up here closer to the door. Yeah, right here. And look, that's us in the window. Alright, so I'm going to go in and pick up this vase, and then I'll show you what I've got coming this way. Okay, so this is the piece that we went after. Very beautiful old Cornelissen baby pottery piece. My great-grandmother had one like this on her front porch. It's so heavy, it survived sitting there through a tornado with branches flying by it and everything else. So I've looked for many years for one like hers. Her handles were broken off, and they call it the Rebecca jug or vase because of the story of the woman at the well, the biblical story. So anyway, finally found one after all these years and lucked into getting it over here in noisy Lexington, which I'm ready to get out of. But I think I'm gonna go check out another couple of shops while I'm here and get this packed up well in the back end of the car. And when in Rome, or Lexington in this case. I guess I might as well go ahead and check out a couple of shops that I don't get over here to see. They're actually on this side of town. Typically when I come over here, I go to visit my aunt who lives in Nicholasville. So I'm actually on the other side of Lexington when I come. I'm hardly over on this side much. So today, Bluegrass Auction brought me over here, so I might as well go check out. There's a couple of shops, one called Room Service and one called Scout. Scout Antiques does modern and antiques. Room Service is a consignment shop for anything from traditional furniture to antiques and china and porcelain and everything else in between. So I think I want to run over there and look at those shops while we're here. So for convenience shopping, it really doesn't get any better than this on Liberty Road in Lexington. You have this place called Room Service, which takes up this end of the building. And then you have Scout Antiques, which takes up this end of the building. And you get one great big, almost strip mall shopping center of fun places to go. So Room Service and Scout, here we come. So I am going to pick up these two little Fenton animals, little mouse and little duck, for my collection at home. I think those look really good, and the pricing structure here is it goes down like on 7-1, it's $9.60 instead of $12, so get a little bit more of a deal on these. My video inside Scout did not turn out so well, but I did get this picture of these beautiful garden urns. Scout has a wonderful selection of jewelry, silver, artwork, rugs, furniture, you name it, they've got it. These beautiful urns will look great in somebody's collection. Well, I'm ready to get out of this traffic and head back home, and I don't know what we'll get into. It's a different day, you all. I'm back, got my vase home, love it. It's actually everything that I wanted and more. So really thrilled to have that. I've had several people look at it and tell me it's completely authentic, so very, very excited. Anyway, today, you all know how much I like to support local business and family-run businesses. Well, I ordered an order from Creekside Nursery, Gardening with Creekside, down in North Carolina, and I received my order today. And let me tell you, everything come in so neatly wrapped. I bought these little hydrangeas. Nothing was disturbed. Everything was wrapped perfectly, beautifully done, you know, and the nicest thank you card in there. And I'm always grateful to support wonderful businesses like Gardening with Creekside and good YouTubers as well. So if you haven't yet, go look at Gardening with Creekside. They're out of Dallas, North Carolina. They have beautiful products there. So now that I have these unpacked, you can actually see what they are. They are very small stock. They are the small Proven Winners containers, but they are the little lime punch, so these are the dwarf ones anyway. They have beautiful new growth on them. So I'm going to take these around back and soak them with water and put them in a nice shady cooler spot so they can kind of get acclimated here to the weather. Looks like they're in perfect shape, and very thrilled because I can't find the little lime punch around here, and I was looking for those for the east side garden area. So, you know, good find and a good way to support a business that I respect. So that's going to wrap it up this week for Antique and Garden Showcase. Glad you all were here today. I'm going to actually take a little time off here for 4th of July. We have the rest of the week off for the auction company, so it's going to be great to spend some time at home, even if it is going to be hot, humid, and who knows what still. But anyway, hope you all have a great week. Enjoy the 4th of July. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.